Alright guys, so it's sunset time, so we're going for the little bit of where we going guys?
Waterfall!
We're going for waterfall to see the waterfall. So this is the place where we had like this much fun, and tomorrow we're gonna be leaving this place. And this waterfall is so good. There is no any waterfall right now, but I'm gonna be going there soon. So yeah, we're going towards what is that called? To see the waterfall. Oh my god, there is some sheep. You guys can see there on right side.
Sheep?
Yeah, I saw some. Hey, they're doing some barbecue, right? We're not gonna be coming here again.
We can't join them.
No, they don't eat. Oh, see, there are animals.
Yeah, they are. You wanna see that?
Yeah, let's.
We can.
I think we can take it.
Alright, wait.
I can.
Alright guys, so हम यहाँ पर एनिमल देखने आ रहे हैं, तो ठीक है? Look at this donkey. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, so cute. Hello. 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 कैसी हो मेरी जान? Look at this. This looks amazing. Really nice.
What if he's gonna jump? I think we should not go this much near.
Aja. So yeah, but I got some oranges or nimu. I have some orange nimu. I can see. What is this? What is the? There should be something here. Maybe dead. Oh my god, I got this one. Orange. Lovely. Hello. We got some peacock. What is this? Is it peacock?
I think yes.
Lovely, lovely, lovely environment, right? Lovely. Everything is so good. Look at this. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे. I saw the peacock. That's the one. मयूर देखे मैंने. Looks pretty. When it do like all the things, that looks so nice. Oh yeah, we got a chase there. Beautiful. So guys, we're going towards waterfall. So we need to walk from here around 5 minutes, and then we'll be seeing the waterfall. अनि यसै गरी चराहरूको आवाज सुन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यसरी चराहरू बोलिरहेको छन् हैन. अनि यो बाटोमा चाहिँ थोरै यसै केयरफुल भएर हिँड्नुपर्छ हैन, किनभने किराहरू पनि एकदम धेरै भइरहेको रहेछ हैन. त्यही भएर म देखाउँछु हजुरलाई पुगेपछि है त. Walking 3 minutes, I came to know here waterfall. So which line you think? This should be the line. Way to go waterfall. यसरी अझै हिँड्नुपर्ने हुन्छ 3-4 मिनट, अनि त्यसपछि पुगिन्छ. रातिको 7 बजिसक्यो, अझै स्टिल उज्यालो छ आज, जनवरी 1st डे. एन्ड जङ्गल चाहिँ एकदम डरलाग्दो पनि रहेछ. जस्ट माइन्ड टु स्टेप हुन्छ नि, हल्का केयर गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ है. ल अब यहाँदेखि चाहिँ हल्का स्केरी छ. सो या it's little bit scary. So we're gonna be going from this way. Just see this jungle. It's full of so many grasses. Do you think we can go from here? Alright guys, be careful here. See the way properly, carefully. Oh my god. So yeah. Guys, Australia guys, you can see the Australia's waterfall there. Oh, what a view. Finally हम आ चुके हैं waterfall में. वही तो बता रही हूँ, let's go. No, it's just a joke, okay? This is not a waterfall. This is just a tiny waterfall. So guys, चलना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा केयरफुल होना चाहिए. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तीनों लोग सागर, अंजनी पुत्र हमको बाबा जन्म जन्म के दुख विश्राम. क्या डर लगने वाला जमाना. What is this? What is this? ये क्या है? लेमन नहीं है. I don't think so. So guys, Australia का what is that? What is that?
We will find the way for Sabarkar. Because
आखिर में हम आ ही नहीं पा रहे. कुछ हॉरर मूवी टाइप का वाइब्स आ रहा है गाइस. Oh, I see the blackberries.
No,
Blackberries.
Do you want my phone number in case you get lost?
Yeah.
Check it in
Yeah.
the phone.
Yeah. So, ये हमें रास्ता बता दे रहे.
It's just Jake.
what's your number?
0405 424.
यहाँ से हमें जाना है. हम गलत जगह से आ गए. So we need to turn back and then go from different way. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is my vlog.
Hello.
Thank you so much for letting us know the way.
You're very, very welcome. If you get lost, ring me.
Okay, bye.
So, another thing you need to be careful of, but this one here is a native fruit, which is
yeah,
right.
I know.
These are beautiful. They're
This is in our country, I know.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
In India?
Bhutta.
Nice one.
You know this it's like peas inside. You have to open that.
No, a different one.
No?
Different. And it
यहाँ पर एक कुछ खाने को आइटम है fruit. So he's telling me it's edible. So it's good for we can eat this fruit. This is the one.
Yeah.
Whereabouts are you guys from?
You mix it right.
Someone from
Yep.
everyone is from different place.
You burn this on the fire and you get the smoke all over your clothes, and it keeps the mosquitoes and the flies away. Oh, it's everywhere. And
Okay.
this here, you make it like for the long stick, and you can make a fire to keep yourself warm, or if you get lost, to put lots of green stuff on the fire, make lots of smoke, and the helicopters and that can see you. So you can do this one to make fire with it.
Oh, alright. So यो mosquito को लागि
Yeah.
mosquito ले bite गर्दैन भन्दै त्यो चाहिँ रहेछ हैन. त्यस्तै भनिरहेको छ हैन ज्याकले. त्यसै गरी यसले चाहिँ हामीलाई वाटरफल सम्म लान्छु भनेको छ. लिएर जान्छौँ. So what is this? This one
This
is
is native sarsaparilla,
oh yeah.
and this one you can eat or make a tea out of.
Oh yeah.
So it's very sweet, but a very bit strong, very strong taste after a little while. So very
Oh, we can
sugary,
use this for the tea.
beautiful fruit tea.
Ah.
It's
Can
good to
you wanna
help
taste
Do you
it?
have Instagram or something?
Yeah, I've got all that.
Maybe she can tag you and you will go viral.
For sure, that's all right. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is native sarsaparilla. And
Oh, alright.
in other countries, they use the cousin of this plant to help couples fall pregnant.
Oh. You wanna use
If
this?
you say I'm not pregnant.
Yeah, they will.
You guys wanna use
Now
this? No way. Alright. हमें सब चीज़ के बारे में information दे रहे हैं ना. So it's giving every information, every single plant over here in this jungle. So So I'll just be going back somewhere, same
If
way.
I'm looking for someone who's missing,
Yeah.
over
हम
like this, the
कभी-
person goes that way. Over like this, the person went that way.
This is a good trick, yeah. Because of this.
If you get lost,
Yeah,
you'll find
yeah.
your way back.
Because of this, it will be easy to find the person who's lost. That's okay. This is a small waterfall. Be careful. Yeah, this is them.
You have to make rope. It's a little bit old. This is better.
Oh, for the rope.
Yeah. It's not too strong at the moment, but when it's young,
To tie something, yeah.
yeah.
Ah, yeah, I know about this.
This way.
Because in Nepal, in village,
It's a bit brittle.
people used to do the same thing. When they cut the grass, you know.
Middle though, here is quite strong.
Yeah, it's like that. In Nepal, people used to do the same thing.
They make houses with this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Very like it's very strong. Like when they make it
when
strong.
you got it, you boil it or you put it in the fire just for a little while. I'll do it a more because it's getting done.
तो ये हमें बता रहा है कि ये जो है ना इसका हम like rope बना सकते हैं like धागा so that we can tie anything like it's very very strong. So this is the way.
Yeah, so here, like that.
Look, I told you guys that we
Right,
went
yeah.
wrong way.
Yeah, you were on the thing, right.
But yeah, you got my phone number if you get stuck. Do you want to put my Insta in your?
Yeah. Give me your.
I saw platypus down there a couple of years ago. We got some photos of them, so it's really good to see. Very healthy environment here.
Thank you so much.
Cool.
Glad we met you.
I'm glad to meet you too. Have a good one.
See you again. Thank you.
No worries. Bye-bye.
1 second. Thank you.
See ya.
Bye bye.
Have a good
Have a good night. Happy New Year. Alright, ये बंदा बहुत ही अच्छा था. इसने हमें बहुत सही जगह सही अच्छी से हमें एक्सप्लेन कर दिया कि वाटरफॉल कहाँ से जाना है, कैसा है. So we just following his steps like his instructions. So we're gonna be going from this way. So we need to walk around 5 minutes. So we'll be reaching there within 5 minutes. So this is the way. So just to remember the way, alright? Alright. This is the way.
Yeah, it's water. Let's go.
Something sound was there. Like a top wala.
Bro, I think this is getting something new.
Be careful, mind a step. Alright, this is little bit of scary.
You don't have this much.
तो कुछ लिखा है watch your step. तो यहाँ आने के बाद ना तुम लोग को थोड़ा अपना पैर को देखना है, अच्छी से चलना है, ठीक है. यहाँ पर थोड़ा रिस्क है क्योंकि हो सकती है ना फॉल हो सकता, बंदा पैर टूट जाए तो क्या होगा. So yeah, there should be, I think. अरे रात बढ़ गई, हम अभी तक पहुँचे नहीं हैं. It's little bit. I told you 5 minutes, but it's definitely not 5 minutes. It's already been 10 minutes. I've been working here, and it's a little bit of scary now. So we need to go. I think it's over the other side, yeah.
Let's just keep walking. It's like 2 minutes.
Yeah, just keep walking for 2 minutes.
I can hear the sound like water.
थोड़ा लग रहा है कि we are there almost. But the thing is, यहाँ पर हमें चढ़ना है, ठीक है. Hey, can you hold this one? I need to.
Careful, guys.
I think you guys can go from that way. Give me the phone. Don't take the risks. What happening? Did you see the waterfall? Alright, we came to the waterfall. Is the fucking... Oh my goodness. Is this the waterfall I'm looking for? And I miss my country, Nepal. So this is the where we come from. So we see the waterfall. You can walk. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next vlog.